Creating a minimalist dining room doesn't require an expensive investment or a large home. In fact, minimalism thrives in simplicity, smart purchases, and thoughtful design, making it perfect for those who want a stylish dining area without overspending. A well-designed minimalist dining space can elevate your home's atmosphere, encourage meaningful gatherings, and maintain visual harmony with the rest of your interior. This video explores creative and affordable minimalist dining room ideas, from furniture choices to layout strategies that blend practicality with modern elegance. Why minimalism works for dining rooms. Minimalist design emphasizes functionality, clean lines, and purposeful pieces. Instead of crowding your dining area with excessive furniture or decor, minimalism encourages clear surfaces and clutter-free spaces, light and airy visuals, thoughtful organization, a calm environment for meals and conversations. For small homes or apartments, especially open-plan layouts, minimalism ensures the dining area integrates seamlessly without overwhelming the room. Choosing a compact and functional dining table. The dining table is the heart of the dining room, so choose wisely, especially when you're furnishing on a budget. Affordable minimalist table options. Round tables, perfect for small spaces, improving movement around the room. Foldable or extendable tables offer flexibility for everyday use and social gatherings. Glass or acrylic tables create an illusion of spaciousness while maintaining a modern look. Simple wooden tables. Neutral tones add warmth and blend well with minimalist decor. Stick to clean shapes and neutral colors. Avoid chunky table bases or ornate details that could visually shrink the room. Chairs that balance comfort and simplicity. Minimalist chairs should be comfortable enough for long dinners, yet visually light. Budget-friendly ideas. Mixed seating. Combine a bench on one side with chairs on the other to save space and cost. Metal or plastic molded chairs. Sleek designs often come at lower prices. Wooden chairs with slim silhouettes offer timeless style without bulk. Second-hand refurbishment. Sand and repaint old furniture for a fresh, minimalist look. Stick to 2x4 chairs if your dining area is small. It keeps the space open and functional. Multifunctional furniture to save space. If your dining room shares a space with a kitchen or a living room, maximize function with versatile furniture. Storage benches. Provide seating while hiding dining essentials. Sideboards or bar carts. Store extra dishware affordably. Floating shelves. Display essentials neatly without taking up floor space. Choose items that serve at least two purposes. Minimalism is about efficiency as much as design. Color palette. Keep it neutral and harmonious. Affordable decor often works best with a simple and cohesive color scheme. Recommended minimalist palette. White, beige, light gray, taupe. Natural wood tones. Black accents for sophistication. A neutral palette helps small spaces feel brighter and more spacious while keeping the dining area visually clean. Lighting that elevates without overspending. Lighting sets the mood in a minimalist dining room. You don't need designer lighting fixtures to achieve a stylish look. Cost-effective choices. Pendant lights with simple geometric shapes. LED strip lighting for ambient effects under shelves or sideboards. Floor lamps with slim profiles if wiring overhead is not possible. Choose warm lighting to create an inviting dining atmosphere. Minimalist decor. Less but meaningful. Minimalism doesn't mean empty, just intentional. Affordable decor ideas. A single centerpiece like a ceramic vase or a green plant. One piece of wall art for visual interest. Table runners for added texture without clutter. Natural elements like bamboo, linen, or rattan. Avoid filling every surface. Let empty space become part of the design. Maximize space with clever layouts. A minimalist dining room thrives on smooth flow and efficient organization. Layout suggestions. Place the table against a wall if your dining area is small. Use corners for cozy dining nooks. Choose furniture with open legs to enhance spacious visuals. Keep walkways clear at all times. Proper arrangement minimizes visual weight and maintains comfort. Incorporating nature to add freshness. Plants fit perfectly into minimalist dining rooms because they add life without complexity. Consider one medium-sized floor plant, a small potted herb on the table, a single leafy branch in a slim vase. Greenery balances the clean aesthetic with warmth and freshness. Budget-friendly storage hacks. Keeping a dining space tidy is essential for minimalist appeal. Try these ideas. Baskets under benches for linen storage. Wall-mounted hooks for aprons or reusable shopping bags. Stackable dishware to reduce cabinet needs. Prioritize organization so the dining room always feels ready to enjoy. DIY inspiration for personal touch. Customization adds charm to minimalist spaces without breaking the bank. DIY ideas. Repaint thrift chairs in a matching neutral color. Create simple wall decor like framed fabric or dried flowers. Restore wooden tables with affordable finishing oil or varnish. Make your own centerpieces using seasonal natural elements. Crafting small details ensures your dining area feels personal and unique. Sustainability meets minimalism. Minimalism naturally aligns with eco-friendly living because it discourages unnecessary consumption. You can support sustainability while staying on budget by buying secondhand furniture instead of new, choosing durable, timeless pieces that last longer, upcycling materials from old furniture or building scraps. A sustainable dining room not only saves money, it reflects mindful living. Conclusion: style and comfort within reach. Minimalist dining room design proves that beauty and functionality don't require big spending. With smart furniture selection, thoughtful layouts, and a cohesive color palette, even the smallest and most budget-conscious dining space can feel elegant and welcoming. By choosing affordable materials, repurposing existing furniture, and limiting decor to carefully chosen essentials, your dining area becomes more spacious, easier to maintain, calm, and visually appealing. A true reflection of simple, intentional living. Minimalism celebrates comfort and clarity, making every meal feel a little more special. Whether you're furnishing your first apartment or refreshing your current home, these minimalist dining room ideas empower you to create a charming and stylish space that doesn't strain your wallet. Enjoy the beauty of simplicity and the joy of dining in a room designed with purpose and heart.